Oh, nice and cool. This looks like our room in no, Dominican Republic. We had the spa, but the spa was on the other side.
Let me open it, señor.
Oh, sí. Gracias.
Okay, that's better then. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not hot.
Alrighty, you guys. This is it.
Sit right here eating my ceviche.
Yeah.
This property has 2 hotels.
Okay.
All that side is Dreams and this side is Secret. So
But
the
we can go to both, though, right?
Sí, señor.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go both. The pools for Secrets are in this section. Also at the 8th floor where we have the sky bar on the other side.
Okay.
And also in floor number 6 over here, we have another pool.
Up here, number 6. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So
Soon as, where's the nearest? What is it? The buffet?
The buffet, we have a World Cafe, which is where you see that blue t-shirt guy right in front of us. That's the entrance to the restaurant.
Okay.
What time is it? 3:17. Mostly all of the restaurants close at 4 p.m. for